In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all orders in MetaTrader 5. If you need to quickly clear out your pending orders in MetaTrader 5, this process is very simple once you know where to look. Just make sure you're paying close attention before confirming anything, because deleting all orders at once can't be undone. This is especially important if you're working in a live trading account and not just practicing in a demo environment. To begin, go to the Positions area in MetaTrader 5. This is the section where you can view your current trading activity and manage orders directly from the platform. Once you're there, locate the list of positions or orders and right-click anywhere in that area to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick access to several management options, including tools for handling multiple orders at the same time. After you right-click, look for the option labeled Bulk Orders and click on it. This section is designed to help you manage several orders more efficiently, instead of deleting them one by one. If you have a large number of pending orders, using the bulk order feature can save time and reduce manual work. From the bulk orders menu, select Delete All Order. This will trigger the action to remove all orders from the list. Before you proceed, take a brief moment to confirm that these are really the orders you want to delete. It's a good habit to double check, especially if you're working quickly or switching between multiple charts and trades. Once you click Delete All Order, MetaTrader 5 will clear those orders for you. After that, it's a good idea to review the Positions or Orders area again to make sure everything has been removed as expected. Verifying the result helps avoid confusion and gives you confidence that the action was completed successfully. That's all it takes to delete all orders in MetaTrader 5. It's a fast and useful feature when you need to clean up your workspace or cancel multiple orders at once. Just remember to use it carefully, since bulk actions can affect your trading setup immediately.